Hello.
Kalimutan ko.
Wow, thank
Nagawa
you.
ko lang sarili ko.
Flowers from Audrey and Brian. And merong, what's this?
Gawa ko to.
Card.
Gawa ko ng
Wow.
sarili ko.
Thank you, anak. Yes, mama.
Mama,
Yes, Audrey.
dalawang
Thank
cone.
you.
Dalawang cone.
What's that? Ito isa
Dalawang cone.
Wow, ang galing naman. Thank you. So, since Mother's Day, nagluto ako ng, alam nyo ka na,
No.
egg surprise. Alam niyo yung egg surprise? It's a surprise. And then, there's also fried chicken and pasta. You want pasta? Carbonara?
Yeah.
Yes. So, later. And then, may mga drinks and desserts. So, ayan si Kuya. May dalang uniform. Pang ensayo. Ano ulit niluto ni Mama, be? Egg surprise. Masa-surprise ka kaya. Brian, what are you doing? Thank you sa flowers and card. Love you. Oh, let's go na. Say hi mo na. Hi, good kuya.